All right, now we're going to look at point-slope form and writing the equation from a graph when we have point-slope form. So again, I'm giving you some hints. The first one is to identify the given point or the ordered pair. So you're going to be looking, especially if you're looking at IXL or you're looking at some other type of document, you're looking to see where they have actually given a point. Now, if they don't give a point, then you could just pick your own point. But here in this particular session, we're looking at the red dots. Okay, these are the given points. Secondly, from that, we're going to do exactly what we did before. We're either going to count up or down, which is our rise, or left or right, which is our run, or we can find 2 points and use the slope formula to find the slope. So here, our first point is here at 30, 20, and I'll write that. This is 30, 20. So my x is 30, so I'm just going to write 30. My y is 20. Now from here, I just need to find the slope. So we're going to look for a perfect point again. Let's see here. Maybe that one. How about this one? I like this one. So this point is 40, 20. Or 40, negative 20 actually. So if I were to look at this, I'm going down 1, 2, 3, 4, and over to the right 1. So my slope, I'm thinking, is negative 4, 1. Let's go ahead and verify by using the slope formula. So slope is equal to a y minus a y. So I'm going to do negative 20 minus 20 divided by 40 minus 30. And that gives me, well, negative 20 minus 20. They're both on the same team. Got 20 players on the same team, so that would be negative 40. Over 40 minus 30, which is 10. Now, we always have to reduce or simplify. I'm not going to leave this as negative 40 over 10. What I notice is that both of these end in a 0, so both the numerator and denominator are divisible by 10. So if I do that, that leaves me negative 4 over 1, which is exactly what I said the slope was when I counted it. Now, since we're writing it here in the equation, we could technically write negative 4 over 1, because negative 4 would be our rise, positive 1 would be our run. But because 1 can be divided into negative 4 evenly, we can just write negative 4 as our slope. Let's go ahead and look at the next one. Here we have 8, 8. Let's see if we can find another perfect point. Let's see here. I think right here is good. And this is 5, 5, 7. So if I use the counting method, I'm going to go up 1 and 3 to the right. So that would mean my slope would be 1/3. Let's go ahead and check using the slope formula. 8 minus 7 and 8 minus 5. That gives me 1 over 3, which is exactly what I said it would be. So notice here that they've taken away our supports, right? But remember the slope formula, I've written it at the top of the paper. I would encourage you to write it down as well. So I've got y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. And let's remember that x1 and y1 are the ordered pairs. So I've got y minus, Our point here is 8, 8, so I'm going to do y minus 8 is equal to, our slope is 1/3 x minus 8. And that's all we need to do. Go ahead and do the 2 on the bottom, and I'll be right back. All right, these are the answers. Now, notice when we have the little supports, we're not asked to simplify. We're just asked to fill in the points that are necessary, or let's say fill in the terms that are necessary, which is the y of the ordered pair, the x of the ordered pair, and the slope. If we were going to simplify this, notice this is minus and negative, so that would change it to a positive. Minus a negative would also change to a positive. Now over on this side, we're not giving any support, so we are expected to simplify. We had y minus negative 10, which changes to plus 10, and then minus negative 8 changes to plus 8. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye-bye.